There are many types of fabric you could use to make a reusable pad. What we're looking for are fabric that can absorb a lot of water. Could you think of fabric you can find in your house that can absorb water? If you thought about towels and t-shirts, good job! Depending on how absorbent your fabric is, your pad could end up being thick or thin. If you use a less absorbent fabric, then you'll need to stack several layers for it to be absorbent. If you stack it thin, then you'll have to change your pads more frequently. If you use a very absorbent fabric like this microfiber cloth, then you'll sometimes just need one layer. So, how absorbent should your pad be? On average, a menstruating woman loses about 30 to 60 milliliters of blood during her period. So, the best way to know which fabric you should use for your pad is by conducting a fabric absorbency test. If you'd like to learn how to do an absorbency test, keep watching. Otherwise, skip to the next chapter.